Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski, and this is a look at the Forex week ahead with a focus on the fundamentals shaping the Forex market. Let's start by taking a look at what's going on in the central banks this week, the key events that are going to shape the Forex market. On Monday, we have ECB's Draghi testifying to the EU Parliament on monetary policy. What I'll be looking for through the testimony is any sort of comments that he may have in regard to the value of the euro going forward. He started to hint, and so did other ECB officials, about the value of the euro, effect on inflation, how that's important for monetary policy going forward, and so on and so forth, and whether or not he continues to harp on that is going to be of interest to me and perhaps to the market. On Monday and Tuesday, going into Tuesday, we have the Bank of Japan monetary policy statement and press conference. The market will be paying attention to what the Bank of Japan has to say in regard to that on Tuesday. Also on Tuesday, we have the Bank of England's Carney speaking at 5 a.m. about financial stability report. Any comments in regard to his expectations for monetary policy / the economy going forward? It's been moving along rather nicely. Will be eyed by the market. Also at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, Fed's Yellen testifies before the Senate Banking Committee. This is the first of two testimonies that she'll be giving in successive days. The first one in front of the Senate Banking Committee, the second one in front of the House Financial Services Committee. The prepared text will be the same in both. What will be different is the question and answer session, and the market will be paying attention to what Yellen has to say. Now, at the last FOMC interest rate decision meeting and press conference following it, she was thought to be a little bit more dovish by the market. Whether or not she changes her stripes or not, we will see on Tuesday. On Wednesday at 10 a.m., we have the Bank of Canada interest rate statement, followed by the press conference at 11:15 a.m. Comments and any changes as far as the tone from the Bank of Canada will be eyed by the market. And also on Wednesday, we have the Fed's Beige Book coming out at 2 p.m. Now let's take a look at the major economic releases for the current week. And on Monday, the highlight of the day will be the EU industrial production with an estimate of minus 1.2 for the current month versus last 0.8. If you recall, last week we had Italy, we had France, and Germany all come with sub 1% numbers, hence the number estimate for this week's EU industrial production, minus 1.2. Looking at the last 5 months, if you take out last month's 0.8% gain, hasn't been looking all that strong, and with a minus 1.2, which would be the lowest level on this graph here, that would be pointing in the wrong direction for the EU economy. So that comes out on Monday at 5 a.m. On Tuesday, we have U.S. retail sales coming out at 8:30 with an estimate of 0.6 versus plus 0.3. This is still for the second quarter, and so it shows continued strength in the U.S. economy. That would be the 5th straight month of an increase after 2 months in December and January, where the effects of the harsh winter took the number into the negative side. But this will be the 5th straight month. 0.6 is the expectations. On Wednesday, we get UK unemployment statistics with the claimant count change supposed to show another decline of minus 27,000. This is in line with the last 8 or so months of change, whereby the claimant count change has been as high as looks like around 32 or 33, maybe that's about 37, and as low as about 27. So in line with what we've seen in recent times for that claimant count change. Again, that comes out on Wednesday. On Thursday, we have the EU CPI data coming out with the expectations of plus 0.5 year on year. Of course, the ECB targets a 2% rate, so this is a bit of a concern for them having the CPI so low. On Friday, we end the week with the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment. For the 8th straight month, the number will be, or expected to be, above the 80 level. This is shows that the consumer continues to be a bit upbeat in the U.S. economy, and expectations are for 83 versus 82.5. I would be remiss if I didn't congratulate Germany on winning their 4th World Cup. Well done, boys. And also, if you like this video and want to see more, click on subscribe button. Also, for more information on Forex trading the Greg Mike way, visit me daily at gregmikefx.com. Good fortune with your trading, everybody. Bye-bye now.